gonna do the motor and the interior and everything, or no?
No, I'm just doing the body and paint on this. I'm gonna paint the motor and the tranny for him, but he's gonna
Orange?
I don't know, you know, we were talking black.
Right?
I feel like the motor should be white and the transmission should be silvery, like aluminum, natural looking.
And
you
keep
know?
that creamsicle
Yeah.
kind of theme too.
Yeah, I think the white would be the way to go, and I'm gonna try to talk to him about that, but.
Well, I can't wait to find out.
Yeah, as of right now, it's black though on the motor and the tranny. That's what he wants. But I think it'll brighten it up a lot if it had white up there. And I know there's a lot of chrome on it anyways,
know.
you know, so
I know. Well, it's gonna be fabulous.
it's all shaped in tubing.
But that was that you who shaped it?
No, this was all done in the mid '60s.
Okay, the original.
I reshaped all of this stuff and
Right.
modified some of it. Like these curvatures here didn't
Right.
match, you know. I reshaped some of that stuff when I had to repair the hit.
So you brought it all back
You know,
together.
this line here was kind of crooked and messed up. I capped a piece underneath there with the glue and, you know, did things that I could do with the glue now that didn't destroy the original structure of the way it was made, you know. But we sanded a lot of stuff out of this, a lot of filler. Instead of, you know, trying to strip it down, I sanded material off it. And I told Scott I wish we had waited before we started doing it because I bet we took 100 pounds off it.
Oh my God! So what? So this was hit when it came in?
Yeah.
Ah.
It had a little damage in the back here. It went off the road and it got tied up in a telephone pole cable, a guide cable, and it kind of rolled this fender in and stuffed this in like that way.
Got it.